Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial again, and this tutorial I'm going to start with Node.js. So we are learning MERN stack. What are the technologies stack we are using? We are using Node.js, we are using MongoDB, and a front end we are using React.js. So that is a combination is called as MERN stack. So now we are going to start with Node.js. So what is Node.js? Let's learn. So Node.js is a cross-platform environment library. Basically, if you say Node.js, you can say it's a server-side JavaScript. So now you can do the front-end development with the help of JavaScript, but now you can do with the server-side technologies using with Node.js. So you can create middleware and backend interaction with the Node.js. So following are the modules which we are going to cover in the later on the section. I just giving you the brief introduction. So Node.js contains lots of features. Node.js has a modules, features, error handling, global, callback, cluster, console, debugger, crypto. There are lots of features. Okay, so that features which we are going to learn one by one. So feature wise, it's extremely fast. So why it's fast? It is built on the Google Chrome version 8 JavaScript engine, and it is fast because it's taking asynchronous call also, and it is single threaded. So lots of technology like Java and PHP, C Sharp, whenever you developing a web application, it will taking a multi-threading request. So it means if I request for some API, then it will open a thread in the case of Java or PHP. But in our Node.js, it's a single threaded. So single thread can maintain every application of Node.js. So it's highly scalable. So you can work with Node.js. You can plug in other libraries also with Node.js. It is the open source. So most of the advantage of the Node.js is it is a open source. Now if you see, now Java is also earlier open, it's a open source, but now they are going to release the paid version of Java. So that's why the community who are developing web application in other technologies like Java, C Sharp, now they are moving to Node.js because it's open source, it's single threaded, it's fast, and it's a licensed under MIT, but it's a open source and free. So now let's move to how do I set up the environment of Node.js. So if I want to settle down with the environment of Node.js, I should open nodejs.org. Now, the same we have done in the portion of React also. So we required npm always. So whenever you click on this latest version, you will getting a current version with the help of this tab, and latest version in this page. I recommended you should use latest version. So now if you download this one, I am getting the installable of my MacBook, and if you are using Windows, and you are getting exe file. Then after your installation of npm, you will be getting the help if I type some command here. So now if I write npm, so because it's installed globally, then it will showing the help of node package manager. If it's not installed, then it will be saying you command not found. Now let's start creation of Node.js application. So let's open a terminal again and create a folder where we are keeping all the Node.js applications, Node.js files. So let's create mkdir, that's a directory, make directory, and create a directory Node.js application, Node.js apps. So now it is created. Now move inside of that folder, change directory, and say Node.js apps. Now I am inside of the folder. So let's open the same folder inside of the Visual Studio Code. File, open, Node.js apps, and open this folder. Now if you want to create a Node.js application, you need to create a first JavaScript file, hello.js. Now let's write some code, console.log hello world. Now save it, and you can execute this application with the help of terminal also, integrated terminal present in the Visual Studio Code. Now if I want to run in this application, let's type a command node and hello.js. Now if I run this application, and I'm getting the result hello world because I have written. So let's write something else, console.log by save it and run it again. Now you're getting both the statements. So that is the setup. This is a very simple setup. Only the things we required: Visual Studio Code, we required npm to run a Node.js application. So Node.js, which is basically a server-side scripting, and we are going to use with the help of MongoDB later on the sections. But first, let's cover every new feature of Node.js. Thanks for watching this video.